That means good morning. Today we will learn basic words in French. First of all, we learn numbers. Les nombres. 0 is 0. 1 is un. 2 is the. 3 is trois. 4 is quatre. 5 is cinq. 6 is six. 7 is sept. 8 is huit. 9 is neuf. 10 is dix. 11 is onze. 12 is douze. 13 is treize. 14 is quatorze. 15 is quinze. 16 is seize. 17 is dix-sept. 18 is dix-huit. 19 is dix-neuf. And 20 is vingt. Now we will learn some salutations in French. Les salutations. À bientôt. See you soon. Demain. See you tomorrow. Au revoir. Goodbye. Bonjour. Hello or good morning. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonne chance. Good luck. Comment allez-vous? How are you? Which is formal. Comment ça va? How are you? Which is informal. Now, comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? Wherever the word comes to, that means it is informal. Comment vous appelez-vous? Which is formal. Désolé, sorry. De rien, you're welcome. Enchanté, nice to meet you. Entrez, that means enter. Excuse-moi, that means excuse me. Madame, that means ma'am. Mademoiselle, which is miss. Monsieur, which means Mr. Salut, which means hi. S'il vous plaît, that means please. If you also want to learn basic conversation in French, the link of the French book is given in the description box. Merci.
Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to Ayaan and Arnav YouTube channel.
And don't forget to press the bell icon.